Hey everyone, it's Ryan Chapman, and I want to walk you through how to plan your meals with our one-of-a-kind meal planner. So I'm already logged into the website here. As you can see, 9010nutrition.com. I'm going to go into the meal planning tab and click on my meal plan. So this is our one-of-a-kind meal planner. You can see here that it gives you a 7-day view of your meal plan. I've already added a few meals on there myself. I can drag those and drop those anywhere I want. I'll show you how to add more in just a minute. But this is going to give you a 7-day view. You can use the arrows to click back 7 days or forward 7 days, but it always gives you that 7-day view. On a mobile browser, you're going to see a 1-day view instead of a 7-day view. Okay? Now what you're going to want to know, first of all, is how to add meals to your meal plan. So let's go over how to add meals to your meal plan. The first way to add meals to your meal plan is with this drop-down menu right here, which searches only by title. So it's not the most powerful way to search, but if you know the title of what you want, it's pretty easy to find stuff right here. So let's say you know that there's a great chili recipe in here, or let's say in this instance, chili mac. I know I love that chili mac recipe, I know the title of it, and I want to add it to my meal plan. I type in chili. I can see that it comes up in this list of things here that has chili. It drops down when I click on it, and then I grab it and put it right there on my meal plan. So that's one easy way to add meals to your meal plan if you know the title. Now if you don't know the title and maybe you're just searching through all of our recipes, there's other ways to add meals to your meal plan. You can click here on search recipes and you'll see that there's a bunch of boxes here that you can search by. One of them is even ingredients, so you can click through and figure out each one, but let's just say you have some broccoli in the fridge and you want to find all the recipes that have broccoli in it. Click on the box, type in broccoli, and up comes all of our broccoli recipes. Now what you'll see here on each recipe that's shown in the grid is that there's a little icon there that says add to meal plan. It's real easy to just pick the day that you want to add that to your meal plan right off the calendar, and then you're also going to click to decide which course you want to add it to, if you want to add it to dinner or lunch, depending on what you have on your meal plan. I only have dinners on my meal plan right now, but I can show you in a second how to change that. So now that has added those baguettes to my meal plan. Okay, so that's the second way to add to your meal plan, is right here from the search menu. The third way to add to your meal plan is you can actually click on any of these recipes. So let's say I like this recipe here and I click on it, this pecan crusted tilapia. You'll see on the actual recipe page that the dialog box to add to your meal plan is also located there. So you can click on it, add it to your meal plan. Now if I go back to my meal plan, I should see that the baguette recipe has been added on the day that I asked for it to be added from that grid search. So there it is right there, 100% whole wheat baguettes. So those are the three ways to add to your meal plan, from the drop down right here on the meal plan page, or from the search grid, or from individual recipes. Any of those three ways can be used to add recipes to your meal plan. Now let's talk about modifying your meal plan. Once you have all the recipes on here that you want on here, there's lots of different things that you can do. For instance, this chili mac recipe serves 6. If I click on the chili mac recipe, it's going to bring down a little preview, and I can change the serving size. So I can go to 4, and now you see that the parentheses actually show 4. Maybe I want to do that to chicken parmesan sliders too. Maybe I don't want 6 servings, and so I only want 4. It's going to change all the ingredients that are going to go on my shopping list to be the right amounts for me instead of that 6. Okay? Now, what if I want to delete something from my meal plan? Easy. Click on it. There's a little delete button. It asks me if I'm sure. I say yes, and now the baguettes are gone from my meal plan. Now, I can also add courses. So right now all I have is dinner, but I'm going to add lunch. And now I have a whole new course. I can grab this chicken parmesan sliders, put it down on lunch. If I want lunch to be above dinner, because you know I just like things in the normal order, I can change order. I can put lunch after dinner. Doesn't really matter, but I can change it any way I want. I can completely delete that course, and it'll delete the things that are on that course as well. Now I'm actually going to put those chicken parmesan sliders back on my meal plan because this is my actual meal plan and I am going to be eating those in just a couple of days. Now, once you've got that meal plan all set, all the servings are set, all your courses are set, everything's ready for your meal plan, the next thing you're going to want to do is generate a shopping list. So the shopping list generator is right down here, and it works based on a date range. So you don't have to shop for the entire 7 days that's on this view. You can pick a date range. So I'm going to actually go from Monday through, or from today through Monday. So I think that's the 8th through the 12th. And I'm going to put those dates in. And then I could pick metric, but I'm going to keep it as US, of course, for me. And I'm going to hit that button, and it's going to pop up my entire shopping list. It's basically pulled all the ingredients out of any recipes that are on that date range, and here they are. Now I can go over to the kitchen, and if I've already got eggs, I can just go ahead and delete that. Or if I've already got milk, just go ahead and delete it. So I can change just about anything that I want to in here. Maybe I can even change, if I use the edit button, I can actually change the quantity of an item rather than just deleting it. So maybe I don't want 2 cups of this, I actually want 4 cups. I can click that little edit button, change whatever I want, save that, and I'm good to go. I can also drag things around. We've already set up some group headings for you here, so things actually show up in groups like meat and produce, but you can drag things around, rename those, add new ones, delete those, whatever you want with your shopping list. Here I'm going to add a new group heading, lunch stuff. See, it adds a new heading there. I can add some ingredients to that now. I'm going to grab some sandwich bread. 1 loaf. I can put whatever quantity I want in there. It doesn't matter. Maybe I add another group. Stuff for kids, you know, snacks for kids or something like that. Maybe you got some kids and you want to remember to grab some Lara bars for the kids. Good healthy snack. Pick up 10 of those. And now, once I've got my meal plan, or my shopping list, I should say, all ready to go, I've added things I want to add, I can print it, which is pretty self-explanatory, or I can click that save button. The save button is actually going to bring up a unique URL for that shopping list that you've created. So that's the unique URL for it, and I can send that to myself in email. So you put any email address in there, click send shopping list, and it'll actually email it to you. So when you get that email, you can either leave this open, or you can go to the email and click the link. It's going to bring this up, and then you can walk through the store with your phone and click those things off. Now the last thing is we can submit a recipe. So maybe you've got a family recipe that's not in our database and you'd love to see it in there. Click submit a recipe. You can add a recipe title. You can tag it with different tags so other people can find it. Add a description, servings, ingredients. The whole recipe can just be added in here and submit, and then we'll go over it and check it out. That's a quick overview of how to do meal planning on the 9010 Nutrition website. You can also do it in the app if you wish. If you have any questions at all, let us know. Thanks.